What's up guys, Salt here, welcome back to another video. And in today's video guys, I'm going to be unboxing and giving you guys my first impressions of the Phone Rebel Gen 2 crystal case. I hope you all enjoy this video, but right before we get into it, make sure you go down below and hit the subscribe button and the little bell button so you never miss another video. We are so close to 400 subscribers and it'd mean a lot to me to reach that milestone. And while you're down there, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button. But yeah, now let's go unbox the Phone Rebel Gen 2 crystal case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright guys, so here we have the Phone Rebel Gen 2 crystal case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The package is different from last time when I unboxed his Gen 1 case, and that video will be up in this corner if you want to go watch that. But yeah, now it has actual Phone Rebel branding on it. So yeah, just flip it over. I'm gonna have to blur all this out because it's my address. Like how this seal is so tight. Okay, I'm just gonna open it this way because that is really hard to open. Okay, we've got a few things in here as it looks like. Put this packaging over there for now. So first off, we have a Phone Rebel sticker, which is pretty neat. I don't think I got these in the Gen 1 case, but that was a pre-order one, and I did get a second Gen 1 case as a Christmas present for somebody, and it did come with a sticker. So yeah, now you get stickers, and this is just your receipt. I'm gonna have to blur this, but it is nice that they give you a receipt. But yeah, look at this. This is the Crystal series for iPhone 12 Pro Max, Gen 2, Everything Apple Pro Phone Rebel case. The packaging is a lot different this time. I personally think it's a lot nicer, and as you can see, it is very reflective. I actually have the Gen 1 packaging right next to me. So here, if we compare it, this one's a lot nicer, and I'm not sure if this reflective stuff is only for the Crystal series, but here is the front. On the old one, we had no text at the front. Then on the sides, now it's the actual side of the case instead of Rebel. The back is almost the same. You've got some new things, second generation design and stuff. Then again, on this side, it just says Phone Rebel over here, but now you have the actual case. So this case, unlike the Gen 1, is the size closed version, and this is for my dad's phone, so shout out to him for letting me unbox this. But yeah, he also opted for the Crystal version instead of the Rebel one because he has the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max, and he wants to see the blue. So yeah, there's just a little seal that you can pull right off here at the bottom. And then, just like the old packaging, you can pull from the sides and take the cover off. And there you go, there is the crystal case. Again, just like the last one, in the molding of the phone. Wow, that's pretty nice. I'm gonna set that right here for now. See what else in the box, so take this piece out. We've got a little pamphlet, and that's it in the box. Now let's check what's in this pamphlet. Alright, so we have this screen protector, which is included, and this crystal case costs 30 bucks. So 30 bucks for a pretty decent case and a screen protector is not a bad deal at all. This is a nano armor screen protector. So yeah, that's nice that comes with it. But yeah, actually I think that's everything that comes. Oh wait, no, there's more. Alright, so you do get this little cleaning thing. Oh, it's a cleaning kit for the screen protector. So you have the little sticker, the alcohol wipe, and the microfiber cloth. But yeah, now let's move on to the case itself. So we still have those nice blue shock absorbers in the top and bottom. And I don't know a ton about cases, so I'm gonna try my best, but I can't do like a review because I really don't know that much about cases. But it does look like there's some openings by the buttons here. That might make it click better, we'll see in a second. But yeah, feels like a very solid case, just like the Gen 1. Now I'm gonna go grab my dad's iPhone 12 Pro Max and pop it in here and see what it looks like. Alright guys, I just put my dad's phone into the case, and it looks pretty nice. I personally still do like the closed sides. Especially, I feel like, personally, on the 12 Pro series, because of the stainless steel size, because of the stainless steel sides, it gets very dirty and fingerprinty, and it scratches a lot, so I think this protects it a lot better. And for the clearness, it is pretty clear. You can see the little Phone Rebel logo right there, and the reflection of my ceiling light. But yeah, I do agree with that. I want to see the blue color of the phone, so that's why he got the Crystal series again. But yeah, buttons do feel actually very clicky and nice. It is not hard to press them whatsoever, and they aren't like gel. It's just super easy to press them. Mute switch is pretty easy to access. All of your cutouts are good. And of course you have those corners that stick out a little bit just for that extra protection, which actually really helps. I have dropped my phone that I have right now with the Gen 1 Phone Rebel case so many times, and without a screen protector too, and it has never cracked. I'm not even joking, I drop it like once or twice a day. But yeah, that's pretty much it for unboxing the Phone Rebel Gen 2 Crystal Series case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Man, that's a mouthful. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick unboxing. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. And I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.